Did you know that we look after more than 1,300 bridges? In addition to our regular safety inspections, we spend about a month each year doing detailed inspections of some of our bridges.
This is done every November every year. We try to do 2 bridges per day.
Under-bridge inspections are done all over Tasmania. We inspect different bridges each year with this special under-bridge inspection unit. This year we visited 34 bridges.
Older bridges may need to have a little bit of TLC. Others are newer, and if they're newer we probably won't inspect them for 2 to 3 years because they meet the Australian standard. Can't see any evidence of any cracking. Now we can have a look at the top of the crossheads and we can have a look at the bolts, check for failed paint, braces, rusting, all those sort of things.
Inspectors will be looking for any potential problem areas that may require maintenance. The overall goal is to identify issues early before they develop into bigger problems.
Okay, so I'll now get a fridge load of photos.
We document the bridge from the side and below during every inspection. We compare these with previous photos to detect any changes over time. To safely use this unit, we need a 4-metre clearance between the water and the bridge. It's also tricky to use the under-bridge inspection unit on single-lane bridges or where there's a lot of vegetation. For those bridges, we use alternative methods.
If it was a shallow bridge, I use my GoPro on an extendable handle of 3 metres, but then we've also got the drone. We hit things with hammers to make sure that they're not hollow. That's solid. That's got a tad of a bell in it. You hear a hollow sound, there's something not quite right. Ooh. So I'm going to say that that's hollow there.
Doug removes the damaged concrete to get a better idea of the extent of the problem. The hollow sound is caused by the separation of individual layers of the concrete in this previously repaired area. As the affected area is small, the structural integrity of the bridge is unaffected and the bridge remains safe to use in the meantime. Once the under-bridge inspection is complete, we walk the full length of the bridge.
We see if there's any cracks up on top of the deck. We also check all the joints and also look at the bridge fence to see if there's any damage, lichen, motor vehicle accident damage, and last of all, downpipes.
Repair works have been scheduled for the next few years. We will replace the faulty concrete with new materials and the barrier rails and posts will be cleaned with a high pressure washer to remove the lichen.